Fort 309.
That's a good flame there, Jenny. Oh, the flames of love.
Morning, everybody. It is a rainy March 22nd. It's a burn day, and we've had a lot of burn days in a row, actually, which is kind of an anomaly. So I'm going to be burning today because I know that tomorrow is not for certain. And if we don't burn today, we may never get another burning day or another Saturday anyway to do the burn that we need to do. So let's go show you what we're going to do. I can't get across here right now because it's so wet. I'll show you as we walk through. So if you look here, because it's so wet, there's water just coming off the hillside. You see it there? And it's pouring down into the field, which is good in a way. But she is wet. See it all coming down here. There's no way I'd be able to get down here with the truck. Well, if I did, I'd make a big mess. Then it all filters into here. I'm going to go across this way because this is just too wet. I didn't bring my gum boots. Let's go across this way. Oh man, it's wet. Ooh. Okay, there we go. And you might say, well, why are you doing this right now? Two reasons. One is I got the time. Second reason is it's a burn day. Here's a little creek. So what we want to do, first of all, is clean up any sticks that are just on the ground, which is quite a few. I'll show you, like there, just naturally falling down. Good burn day, raining like a banshee. And you can see some sticks here that have naturally fallen from the maples. Then we want to trim up these branches that are going to get in our face when we're clipping the pasture. And also it looks nice too. Same thing in here. Just trim up these branches. Make it look like a little campsite in here. This, so you know, is Fort 309. The boys named it when they were little. They made the sign. It's taken a little bit of a beating. I don't know what, something chewed on that or something. I don't know what happened there. Fort 309, that's what the boys called it. 309, but they call it Fort 309, which is cute. It's stuck. So we're going to clean up these branches. I think we'll have a fire. I can't get the truck across here to load the branches. So we will have a fire maybe right here, right there. And then it's close enough to grab those branches, close enough to grab these. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So let's go get ready. Let's go get started down in here. We don't get down here very much. Yeah, we'll clean all this up, make it look beautiful. Clean this mess up. That'll be the last thing we do, because that's a big rat's nest. Look at these. This is what the cedars look like if you don't look after them. So we'll clean all that up, like a nice haircut. And this will look like a nice parkland in here. Let's get to that. But here's the stream down here. It's kind of neat. Look at that. Used to be a bridge here one time that my grandpa had. It was like a wooden bridge. You can see the part there. I remember driving with a tractor across there, and then over the years it just eroded. I don't know if that's the best place for a bridge, to be honest, because over there it's soggier than heck. There's some branches over there too. We'll get those from the other side maybe. But it's soggy in there. Okay, let's get to it. looks a lot better in there, eh? Soon we'll go over there and do that tree there, see it? And the other ones by the creek, and then finish this one. And that's it. And clean up some branches up here. Then it'll look really good. Real nice. Real nice. Pretty good fire, eh? The water or the wind? What do you hear? Holy Toledo Batman snorkels. Yeah, it looks much better in there. That's pretty. That's pretty.
Oh, okay, I thought you were.
I'll put it up here after so you have to do the work, right?
Here's videoing me.
The battery was dead, it wasn't charging it. Look at me steaming. Yeah, my gloves there might get toasted, eh? It's so wet. I think they're protected by that one branch. Well, we're gonna get the wood done. We've got some trees over here to do. Some branches and some branches. You'll see it in the fast motion. Here we go.
Oh, the flames of love. How's that look now? A little better. Just let's see where the other side of the That tree was ugly.
flame there, Jimmy. Oh, the flames of love. I will get you to take the camera. That's a good flame there, Jimmy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.